Welcome back to Planes, Trains, Boats Online. We are currently on Interstate 90, just entered into Montana, going eastbound. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. I hope you like and subscribe to this channel. It makes it a lot easier for us and it helps us greatly. Just hit that like button and that subscribe button if you want to see more of this, as well as trains and planes and boats. Exciting, right? But yeah, here is Montana. And so, it's kind of beautiful. We're currently going down a mountain. And then in a construction zone as well. All that rolled into one. How lucky are we? Looks like it would be early morning, but really it's the sun is starting to go down. It's towards the end of the day. We're 3 miles into Montana. It's actually a pretty cool state. We go through, there's a town in Billings, Montana, where they have a lot of trains. I filmed a lot of trains there. And I can't wait to show you. Montana is a very beautiful state. It's a very long state. It'll take me probably, I'm going to say 13 hours to go from one side of the from this point to the other side of Montana. But still a beautiful state. Lots of hills, lots of trees, wildlife. And lots of construction here right now. This is actually the oncoming highway, oncoming lanes. If we can see it from on the right-hand side, behind these trees, you'll see that road is being worked on. That's the side I'm supposed to be on, but they're working on all of this. There's the rest area. So this rest area to the left side of me here, I've seen that snow in the wintertime. I've seen the snow like 5.5 feet tall, sitting on top of the rooftops of those buildings back there. Like this little building here, I've seen the snow pretty high up. I've seen the snow around here at 6 feet tall, at 6 feet deep. They get a lot of snow around here. It gets to be pretty cold. Last time we ran together, me and you, we were in BC. So you must have been sleeping in the back this whole time, because we've already gone to Washington, Idaho, and now we're in Montana. So I hope you guys enjoyed the long sleep you had. That was a long sleep. have 2 hours left to drive, and I would love to be able to get through this construction zone and pass this car, because I would love to get somewhere with a little bit of reception on my phone for when I go to sleep tonight, so I can watch some TV, so we can watch some TV, or play some video games. I told my friend Bill that I should be on tonight. Hopefully we can find something. It's 9 o'clock home time, but it's like 7 o'clock local. I think I'm in the new other time zone now. When we were in BC, we were 3 hours back. Now, if I was to go straight north, because right now we're going eastbound, if I was to go straight north, which would be to my left, then I'll go right up into around Calgary, Alberta. I'll be in Alberta area. So I'm thinking I'm going to have some onion rings for dinner tonight. I got a big bag of onion rings. But onion rings are not going to cut it. So maybe I'll do onion rings and a sandwich. That would work. A little bit of cheese, tomato, onion. Oh, I wish I had onion. Lettuce. Onion would be really good. Lettuce and 3 different kinds of meats on a bagel with a handful of onion rings. Now that's eating nicely in a truck. I try to cook everything in the truck. Oh, and remind me, I gotta take the 2 salmon steaks out of the freezer. I wanna have that. I wanna bread it and put it in the frying pan for tomorrow night's dinner, with maybe some onion rings. Possibly could happen. Yeah, onion rings sounds about good. I'm gonna bread the fish, the salmon steaks. I'm gonna bread it, and then I bought some cooking oil, and I'm going to pour that into the frying pan. Heat it all up, and then, so once it gets to that temperature, stick that salmon right into it. Oh man, that's going to be so good. I just went by electric frying pan because I can only cook so much with an air fryer. Alright, so usually when you see 2 things sticking out like this over the highway like this, that's a DOT scale. And I see a sign up here that says weight station, is that 4 miles? Yeah, weigh station, 4 miles. Be prepared to stop. Ugh. I've had a long day already. I've crossed the border and I've driven quite a bit of miles, as a matter of fact. We're already 11 miles into Montana. And no, not Montana, the restaurant, which I've never even eaten there before. If you have, leave a comment down below. Let me know what it was, if those Montana restaurants were really good. I'm imagine they are. I imagine they have some really nice steak and all that stuff there. But who knows? But look, beautiful scenery, isn't it? Yes, some people just see hills with trees, but I see beauty. I see freedom. I see space. A nice little river down there, or a stream down there. I don't know if it actually has any fish in it, but that there would be frozen solid once wintertime comes along. And you see that? The two different color rock? You got this stuff down below, and then up in that top of the hill is more red dirt. That's pretty cool. Here comes that weigh station. Weigh station 1 mile. So we've already driven 3 miles. Isn't that exciting? But I don't think that even my GPS isn't even showing that it's there. So I don't even think that this is the scale's even in function anymore. I do believe it's just empty parking lot. It might even be boarded up or blocked up. Whatever it is, it's in the left lane. Oh, never mind, it's open. Alright. Scale. I thought, see, I was wrong, see? I was totally wrong. That shows how many times I'm through here. Okay, so here's a new experience for us. So the scale is here is we're allowed to have 80,000 pounds, any more than 80,000 pounds in your class is overweight, unless you have a permit. Now there's a really nice truck right here. What do you think, Jeff? Nice? It's a cab over. Nice blue one, too. It's 15 mile an hour. So this will tell us, or tell them, what kind of weight we have. And they'll pull us over if they want to look at the truck. Hold on, I gotta roll the window down. Almost through. Okay, so that little sign that says proceed 3 miles or whatever, proceed slowly. If they wanted me to pull over, they would say park. So they have the ability to pull you over if you have a flat tire or something, or they want to do a level 1, 2, or 3 inspection on your truck. They have every right to do that. And all that means is that these people here make sure that we are safe to drive up and down the road. And some people don't respect that, but I totally respect them. Because without them, I couldn't imagine without anybody watching what we do. There's some people out here that don't really care on what their vehicle looks like. Blown tires, no brakes, no doors, no windshield, whatever. It could be anything. These guys make sure that we are good to go on the road. And it could be fines, but you know, if you get a fine, then you deserve it. I should just pull into here, but I'm not going to. I am getting hungry. But we're going to keep on trucking. I got some phone service here right now, but once I leave here, I'm not going to have it. See those towers in the very top of those hills to your left? Those two towers sitting there, those are phone towers. They got some of the phone towers, they look like evergreen trees. They got them camouflaged. Pretty cool. You can definitely tell which ones are which, if they're a real tree or not. But they try, and they look good. They do look pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I really hope that you've liked and subscribed already. But if you haven't, hit that like button and that subscribe button. It does a lot. And we are now 18 miles into Montana. And probably the next time I take you and show you, we'll still be in Montana, but I imagine it'll be sometime tomorrow. Because as you can see, the sun's going down. And the longer we go, the darker it's going to get. But I really do hope you enjoyed this. And maybe one day we can meet. Wouldn't that be cool? Anyways, have fun, be safe, bye for now.